There, my name is Margie. So the brand sent me this little pretend purse set, and so we're gonna go through it and I'm gonna show you everything it has in it and give you my overall opinion of it. Here's the little purse itself. These do come in multiple colors, and I love the little structured handle on here so they can play with it like so, or it has, of course, a strap. It has silver hardware, and then it's got this little keychain hanging off it too that says Star Princess. The bottom is nice and flat, and this is made out of a PVC material. Very easy just to wash it right off. Let's open it up so you can see. I love how they have the different colors, teal, white, and then this hot pink. The zipper glides on it really nice. Open it up, you're gonna see it just comes with so many items. It does come with a little pair of sunglasses. You've got a little, they can actually spray bottle that can actually hook to the bag. They can fill that with something pretty, a little hairbrush they can use. And you have some pretend makeup here with a little sponge and little mirror. It does come with some pretend lipstick. This is not real, but it definitely feels like it is. This little pretend bottle, a fingernail polish. Again, they've just thought of everything in this little handbag. They do have a little eyeshadow palette. Again, that's just for play. Of course, no girl can go without a little cell phone. It also has this little wallet that says Star Princess. You open it up and it has pretend credit cards, pretend driver's license. I love this, but it even has like pretend cash up here. Some car keys and a car like fob right here. And then of course, this little pack of tissues. Here's the inside. I think that's a nice size. It is meant for ages 3 through 8, but of course, give or take a year or two. I just love this whole set. I think the quality is really nice. Did a nice job designing this, including everything that it comes with. Everything feels very well made, and it just encourages that play pretend. So if you are watching this video by any chance and you're trying to decide whether to grab this or not, I definitely think it's worth it.